Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. I have some cleaning hacks that I want to show you. I'm about to do some cleaning, and I was at the store the other day and I thought, oh, I need to get my Swiffer refill. And then I thought, oh no, Valerie, remember seeing that hack on YouTube? You need to save yourself some money. So I'm sure plenty of people have these Swiffer mops here, and when you run out of this, these bottles are costing like $8 and $9 and $10 to replace. So I have this hack that I saw on YouTube that I'm going to use today. And rather than buying another bottle of this, I'm going to use cleaning vinegar. I saw this, I bought several bottles when I saw it. I think it was at Target. I've already used a couple of bottles. Lemon scent and lavender for cleaning. So rather than buying expensive cleansers for your home, you can use vinegar. And I think I probably paid maybe $2.50 for each bottle. And I can't remember. I think it was at Target, like at the bottom of the shelf. Sometimes look at the bottom of the shelves in these stores. You can find some good deals. So I have a pot of water boiling here, and I'll show you the hack that I will use to refill this. Now, I do have one of these Shark mop vacs that will vacuum and mop at the same time, and I like it. However, the refills are so expensive. These pads here, I wish I would have done some more research, because I think I paid maybe 70 bucks for this. This right here, the pads, it's nice, but sometimes you just need because it can vacuum into right there, and then you go back over your floor and you mop with this. But these things are so expensive. I think they're now only for 10 pads, you can pay upwards of $12 to $14. I'm not doing that. I mean, I still got a couple of pads left. And you know they have their own cleaner, the mop vac cleaner. A bottle can cost anywhere from $8 to $9. I'm not doing that. If I did, well, when I finish up using all of those pads, this is empty. I'm just going to use some spick and span cleaner from the $1.25 store. Yeah, very expensive. Now they do have reusable ones on Amazon. And I think like 4 pads can cost maybe $18, $20. But you can use them, but I'm not gonna use gallons and gallons of water to rewash them unless I'm washing rugs, and I don't wash rugs every week. So I don't think that'll be an option for me to buy the reusable ones. So anyway, my water is boiling here. So in the meantime, I'm going to show you another hack. Rather than buying those expensive little pods and balls to clean your garbage disposal, vinegar and baking soda. So let me show you what I do. What I do is I just take a few ice cubes, stick it down in there. I pour some vinegar down in there. And put in my baking soda. And I turn this on. It's going to be loud. And I'll spray a little Dawn down in there too. it gets rid of all the smell. So let's go back to the Swiffer hack. So they've made these bottles so that you cannot easily twist them off. Yeah, you can't get that off. So what I do is just boil some water and I put the cap down in there to soften it up. Let's see, closer. Just for a few seconds. You don't want it so hot that it will be so loose getting it back on. So we're going to soften that up and untwist it, pour in our vinegar, and twist it back on before it gets too hard to put it back on. So be right back. So I was able to get this off because it just softened it just enough for me to get the top off. A little extra cleaner in here, so I just poured that out. I'm actually going to put it in a spray bottle just for spot cleaning on my floors. But anyway, I'm going to use the lavender scented vinegar and pour that in here. So you guys have any hacks that I can use for cleaning? I need a hack for grout cleaning because about once a year I'll just get on my hands and knees with some bleach water and clean the grout. I haven't found any easier way to clean my grout. So that's good like that. And before this gets too hard, you can twist it back on. There you go. And there you go. Save yourself some money because like I said, these bottles are costing $8, $9, $10. So I just use vinegar water, not vinegar water, vinegar cleaning solution. So those are my hacks for today. I hope you guys have a great day. Have a great weekend. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.